Music Therapy Labs here on Music Therapy Thursday. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. We had a really nice live stream the other day. It's kind of cool. The 12th day of Christmas giveaway. Gave away some cables, some nice instrument cables, and a set of headphones and some strings to some awesome people that joined me on that wonderful first time ever live stream. It was really cool. And obviously I'll do some more, but on Music Therapy Thursdays here today, right after Christmas, I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I got a gift here in the mail. It's actually not a gift. I bought it for myself. But I wasn't expecting it for a while. I thought it might come in January or something like that. And I don't know if this might give any of it away. Some kind of orange packaging here. This will give it away for sure. That pedal show. That's right, Dan and Mick. Oh, wait a second. What is that? Oh, that's funny. TPS nerd pin. Nerd effect or nerd effect? Yeah, I guess I'm part of the nerd effect club now. It's like some kind of a pin from That Pedal Show, the TPS report, as I jokingly call it. And I don't know if any of you guys know this, but I received a limited number, one of the limited number of these. So that's the number. They're number 17, lucky 17. Roxy, you're chewing it apart already. And this might really give away what I actually got. So this is a signed card thanking me for getting the Stealth D&M Drive. That's right. Roxy, hang on there. Oh, look what she's doing. So I gotta take you off there, Roxy. Alright, and I bought a bunch of stuff from That Pedal Show. I love that show and those people there. And so I got something else as well. Didn't want to just buy a pedal. I also got a cool Christmas beanie. Roxy, did you poop on me? Roxy, I gotta get a napkin. Roxy, you're being jealous. Don't like that. Oh my God, all over the bag too. That's disgusting, Roxy. That's disgusting. Alright. She pooped all over the plastic bag. She doesn't like the sound of plastic. Alright, Roxy. Relax. Another TPS sticker. Come here. Another TPS sticker, so I thought that would be cool to have. I'll wear it if I ever go up into the snow or it gets cold enough around here. That's gross, Roxy. Gross. Anyway, let's put that on the podcast right there. So obviously I'll do a demo of this, but a lot of you have already heard demos of this pedal, I'm sure. So that's the box it comes in. It's a Keely pedal. There's that K for Robert Keely. Custom D&M Drive. Very, very cool. What comes in the box? Well, you got wrapped in plastic, of course. You got the instructions. And you get Keely electronic sticker. That's my first Keely sticker, my first Keely pedal. Probably not the last. Almost bought the compressor, but I ended up buying the MXR. Probably should have bought the Keely. Anyway, here's the grand reveal. Oh, it's so cool. It's stealthy. You can hardly see him on there. Yeah. So metal enclosure. Oh, that's so cool. So look, Mick signed it right there, and then I'm sure Dan signed the other side. Yes, he did. Dan with the smiley face. I love it. Dan is so awesome. So thank you, Dan and Mick, for working with Robert Keely for making this awesome. I love it. I don't know if you guys can see their heads. And oh, there we go. That's killer. So that's the D&M Drive. Oh, there we go. Perfect. All right. So that's the TPS That Pedal Show. Dan and Mick Stealth D&M Drive. I wanted to buy the other one, and I'm glad I held off for a while. So I ended up buying the LPD, the 68 Deluxe. That's an awesome pedal. And this is going to be kind of similar in the sense it's not like an amp in a box with boost kind of pedal like that. This is more like a overdrive with a boost type pedal. But I wanted something like the LPD a little bit more at that time, and so I bought that. Really happy with this. This is going to be a fun pedal to use and keep, and I'll definitely take care of it. You know, I like to collect things and take care of things. As you can tell, I take care of my guitars. Rockin' Santa is playing over there. So thank you very much for watching my channel, and I hope you enjoyed the gift ideas I had for the Christmas, the 12 Days of Christmas countdown I did. Some of the in-store, you know, shopping kind of mom and pop shop visits. I'll do one a month of those, I think, at least. Try to find unique stores, like I was able to find that Broken Guitars one. That was way cool. And I'll send out those gifts to the people that won. I think it's a Guitar Hack one, Upside Down one. I think 6 strings and 10 fingers one. So I think those are the 3 winners. And if you haven't noticed, if you go on to that my last video on that 12th day of Christmas live stream, you don't have to listen to the entire thing all the way through. Just look at the description and try to guess whatever I'm asking you to guess. I'm not going to tell you right now. And you can win, you know, that next prize, which is a Curlin 12-foot instrument cable, so guitar cable. So really nice quality cable. So if you want to win that, and yeah, and I think I think Quentin, James, and a couple other guys, I think, who popped in, I'm sending them some strings just for the heck of it, since they were willing to go onto my live stream, which was way cool. I think I had up to maybe 10 people in there. I was kind of shocked that many people on Christmas Day, well, Christmas Eve day, I guess it was, right, would be looking to find a live stream to watch, but I guess I was too, So thank you again. Hope you enjoy the channel. I'm going to try to improve on it. I'm actually working on my studio room right now, reorganizing stuff in there, and going to get some stuff hooked up in there so I can actually use my DAW and my computer in there and make some backing tracks, play some music in there, and record some music, and so that'll be exciting for 2020. 2019 was an awesome year. I went to NAMM for the first time. I'm hoping to get into NAMM. I kind of looks like I might not be able to go, but maybe there'll be a miracle, Christmas miracle or 2020 miracle to get me in. I've got you know, the room booked and everything over there at the Majestic, which is a cool nearby motel place. So yeah, 2019 was awesome. Got the channel going. You know, want to keep it going strong. Hopefully I can grow you know, quite a bit more this next year. I've got Livewires invited me on to their show for January 15th is the date, so I'll be putting up some info on that. And in the meantime, I'll be learning how to use, you know, some of the softwares properly so I can do better quality videos. I've just been doing off the phone like I am right now again. So whatever happens this year, it's going to be definitely putting more effort and time into making this channel something more quality for sure, and putting up more original music as well, and maybe some live stuff again. That was kind of fun too, that live Christmas jam, that kind of crazy punk rock kind of, I don't know I don't know where that came from, but it was at the end of the night, and I think it was like one of the last things we played. And so we just kind of threw that together, and I kind of edited out some stuff that was inappropriate or sounded worse than even what was being played at that moment. But it would have been nice if we had someone on the bass and someone on the guitar, but it was just me and Joe on the drums and Andrew and Art singing, if you want to call it that. A little noisy, and my guitar playing too with the Vermin pedal. I think I was using the LPD68, the Vermin pedal, and the Plumes, Earthquaker devices. So Plumes, the EHX, where is it? The MXR. Yeah, it's the MXR Chorus, the Arena. Basically, that's the TC Electronic Hall of Fame, but arena sized, so not a little bit larger sized rooms available on that. It's a special edition pedal as well. And yeah, a delay, double delay pedal by Double Decca by Vox, which is actually a steal of a cool analog Bucket Brigade, if I can say that, chipset pedal, analog pedal. So that's a look for that if you guys want a great 2-in-1 delay. You can do short and long delay on that thing. So anyway, thank you again for watching. Hope you, like I said, enjoyed the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share. You know, it's hard to get these channels going. I think once you get them going, they start to grow. And I hope I am able to grow not just the channel for unboxings and equipment and blabbering like this, but put some real music up there as well. So I look forward to doing that. Also doing the Community Jam song with Phil Mosley, The Count, Phil Mosley Music. So once again, thanks again. Have a happy New Year, the rest of the year here. Returning and getting other gifts. I've got a couple other things to unbox in the future. So, shenanigans, I know. But, you know, it's worth it. It's worth the trouble, I guess. So I'm really happy to get this. I'm still waiting for Glenn Fricker's noise gate pedal. We won't say the name of it. Not right now. I'm trying to keep this child-friendly, this site, because it is a music therapy site, and I want to be able to kind of have it not just as a music and rock and roll guitar kind of thing only, but I want to try to incorporate more of the music therapy stuff in here. So I want to keep it kids friendly. So once again, thank you for watching the videos and watching this one, and hope to see you guys in the chats and streams. And again, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, do all that stuff. And music therapy with Roxy, who's eating right now, out. Oh yeah, I like to end it with this. If it would just, the music is throwing me off. This is a guitar related thing, but music is like this all around, right? We're all tone and frequency and all this. Music is an important part of life, and I like to say when it comes to guitar that there's the saying about tone being in the fingers or being in the hands and all that. And I think that's true, but I think that all comes from your mind. So I say the tone is in your mind, but the feel comes from your heart, right? You've got to have some emotions and feeling coming through too. It can't just be all thought and consciousness, mind-centric. So the tones in your mind, the feels in your heart, you got to put them together and make some music out of that. So that's what I think music's all about. It's about sharing that. So for now, Music Therapy Labs out. Have a great rest of your year, and see you in 2020.